everyone. Hello, my beautiful subscribers. Hope you all are doing well and you are watching my YouTube channel, Ami Talks. So, welcome back again. So, in this video, I want to share a great message by the student of third standard. His name is Kritik. So, do like and share the great message with your family and friends. Watch the video till the end. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kritik. If you want to change the world, first clean your bed and home. Do not do like this. When you will clean your bed and home, you will know what is cleaning and you will perfect in everything. Do not eat junk food, eat proper food and healthy food. Drink milk. Bye bye, thank you, and take vaccine, 1 dose and 2nd dose. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. Bye bye friends.